Roku here at Hakuna Matiki at Margaritaville Resort Orlando. So the first thing you're going to do when you want to watch TV is take this small remote and you're going to turn the power on. Now this is going to bring you to guest mode. So what you're going to do is click Get Started, which is the OK button in the middle. And now you're going to select which date you leave. So I've already established that here, and you're going to click OK once you pick your checkout date. Now, and then start streaming. Now this is really important because what it does is it makes sure that you sign out the day that you leave, so our next guest can't go in and rent a movie on your account or buy something with your account. So this automatically wipes out your saved apps as soon as you leave. And checkout is at 10 a.m. so you can write it right in there and it will clear that out for you. So once that loads, you can go ahead and see this home screen, and you can go through and select any of the apps and then sign in just as you would at home. If you don't see one of your preferred channels here, you can click Add Channel, and you can go ahead and do that right by pressing the OK button. So you can go back and forth and move all around. On the side of the remote here, it's a little blurry, but that's the up and down for the volume of the TV. So that's how you can watch what you would like on TV. And then if you would like cable TV and you don't have any streaming services, you're going to click over and you're going to click Cable TV. And now this is only available in our pineapple bedroom, our flamingo bedroom, the living room, and then the master bedroom. So this is if you just want to watch the news or a game on TV and you don't want to watch any of the Netflix, Disney Plus, those type of apps. So to do that, you're going to click OK for cable TV. And then if it's not on, it will tell you that it's not on, and you're just going to press the power button here. So we'll get out of here and click continue. And then if it says no signal, is it on? Our cable box is right behind the TV, so all you have to do is turn it on here, and then it will bring up the channels that you want to watch, and then you'll use this remote for the rest of your regular TV experience. And then this remote if you want to watch an app through the Roku. All right, I hope that answers your questions, and you can let us know if you still need some help with your TV. Take care.